So you just had a great idea.
First the problem.
Are you guys excited?
Yes,
yeah,
we're excited. We're excited.
Get together so I can see you both. Okay.
The problem is managing all the data in the detox booth.
We just talked about that.
We were talking about that too. And so what we're thinking about doing is designing a software that can manage the data for us.
Yeah.
So what was your idea about
here's the thing.
software?
Adam told me that now there's one video, you take it on the iMovie, and then you manually store into another folder of the respective student. Now, instead of doing that, because later on we know that this is a manual process and one person has to do this thing, why don't we have in the detox room a camera, face detection camera? For example, Adam is a student and he has a particular folder and I'm the manager. He records a video and I store that in his folder and I know 10 other kids. Why don't we have this camera on a detox booth, a face detection? I've taken a picture of Adam and this camera recognizes Adam whenever he comes in. And we create this software.
Did you hear that? Tell it again because I don't think Peter heard it.
Alright.
Just the last part.
So we have this camera, a face detection camera. So what it does is actually whenever you come in the booth and it recognizes that it's Adam because it already knows we have fed the picture, and whenever the video is recorded, it is automatically stored in a folder of Adam. The only reason, because we have to program it only once. That is, whenever this person comes in, take the video, store there. Take the video, store there.
And how great would that be for them to just come in and not have to do anything but sit down and just start talking, and the camera turns on because it's motion. It starts recording. They talk about what they've done that day, noticed, etc.
And it's not really a crazy software. It's just like a bunch of lines that.
So next problem that we would love for you to solve, because you could do it better than Deb Roy, I bet. Okay, so.
I'm an engineer, a middle class engineer.
now, what we want to do is so that the tagging piece, that if we want to extrapolate a whole bunch of different people noticing to compare that, or if we want to extrapolate Peter doing one particular project to see if he's grown in that project, can we then, can we code the program so that it picks up every time they say the word notice?
Exactly.
Every time they say the word dream.
So what we do is in this program, in this software, is that, for example, Adam. We have Adam. We have this bunch of the keywords. Like when you, here's the thing I can tell you. It's a very smart thing, and already people are doing it. It's called artificial intelligence too. Like when you upload your resume on monster.com, what it does, it actually takes the keywords out of it and matches the jobs with that and brings you every day the notification, what it does. And the artificial intelligence is something, one of my friends is doing a very cool work. I'm not sure if he would be interested in this, unless it's involves a lot of money.
Well, he should.
Well, here's the thing. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I have to ask. He's a really nice guy. He's very busy right now, though.
Okay, that's
here's the thing. What I'm saying is that what he's doing right now, there's one of the guys in that Peter Thiel's fellowship, what he's doing in personalization. The artificial intelligence can do this thing. What it can do is, it can personalize something for you. So whenever you say something, Google is doing exactly the same thing.
Right.
You get your search results based on your previous search results and those things. So if we have the dumb software which we can just start away, and what we need is better understanding of the software for ourselves and the software to be learning. That kid can do if we tell him that
Everett,
that's what we said.
yeah,
We're talking about Everett. We're like, we need someone to code, and I was like, Everett.
Right. Yeah. He hasn't read maybe about the artificial intelligence, but he would love to if we give him a challenge or something, and we are doing for ourselves.
That's why you're his mentor. And he's your mentor.
All right, I can do that, even though I'm not in programming. But
he's perfect because he's going to be here, and if I mean, that's perfect.
Yeah.